It's a 2019 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This Sierra was built for those that need a truck, a get-dusty, haul-anything heavy-duty pickup. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: Vortec engine, electronic shift on the fly, tow haul mode, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system, remote engine start smart device, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, trailer hitch receiver, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Automobile proclaims it's what's under the hood that separates the men from the boys among heavy-duty pickups. GMC, professional grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Are you speaking Deacon? Visit Deacon Jones Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac today. Give us a call at 800-952-9354.